Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Well, as you guys can see in the title, man, we got something cool going on. I'm going to show you a comparison between the Sky RC, and we're going to do an unboxing of the new Losi motorcycle. Let's go ahead and get into this video, everybody, and I hope you guys enjoy it. There it is, guys. That quick. It comes in. These things are on nationwide back order, but if there's an Amazon link, check it out in the description, because we're gonna make sure we put it in there for you guys. You guys remember the Sky RC? We did the unboxing on this one. This one was like 500 bucks. We're gonna put it in comparison to the Losi, which the Losi ready to run version is 600. This one it's a 1/4 scale ready to run. Try to find the English part here, guys. I don't see nothing in English. Oh, there it is. No, that ain't even English. Whatever. We're gonna get this box opened up and check this thing out, guys. Trying to go over everything, see if there's anything I'm missing. All comes with the Spectrum system. Man, let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box. I can't wait. Well boxed. Here's your instructions taped to the top. Different stuff. Some cards. Everything you need. Some more stickers if you want to change it out. I'm not going to remove that right now. We don't want to lose that. Man. Battery. They give you a slow charger, USB. Takes quite a while. Overnight for that one. So you purchase this, you're going to need to get a Spectrum smart charger. Comes with tools, a couple nails, and you're probably wondering why nails. Well, we're going to get to that in a second. Spectrum controller. This one is a DX3. Bunch of different stuff you can do. This thing is ridiculous. It will do some wheelies for days. You can do the flywheel on off, battery level. Got a little spot right here on the top. You can do an external antenna, improve your range. Let's go ahead and get the motorcycle out. That's what we want to know about. Well, guys, there it is out of the box. They make two different colors, a blue one and a green one, I think. Went with the green one. Now the nails, it's for this. This is actually a launch stand. So you put your nails into the ground, so at least you have somewhere to launch it out at, and you see it holds it up straight. It comes with a little service stand. This is what I like. This is actual cloth. This is all plastic. I don't like that. This one's all cloth. Suspension, full suspension. The gyro system in this one is actually in the center here instead of on the back wheel. So definitely better. Real chain. This thing is rocking. Definitely approve of this motorcycle. This actually picks up. Nice, good, tight suspension. Detail is awesome compared to that one. This one's way better. Man, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this, because you know we're going to. Haha, imagine that. It's got my name on the back. That's cool. This is put out by Losi, guys. Awesome. If you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit it now, so you guys won't miss stuff like this. because we're going to get this thing out and running here real soon. I appreciate it, guys. We're going to catch you on the next episode. Have a good one.